Hello friends, my name is Vetri Utu. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this lovely vanilla cupcakes. Kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification button so that when I post new videos, you'll be informed. The full recipe is in the description box below. For this recipe, we will need flour, sugar, egg, vanilla flavor, salt, vegetable oil, milk, and baking powder. Sieve the flour and baking powder together in a bowl. In another bowl, pour the eggs, sugar and salt and whisk for 4 minutes. Pour the vegetable oil, vanilla flavor and milk and whisk for 1 minute. The recipe is in the description box below. Add the flour, baking powder and mix for 30 seconds. Don't overmix. You can now scoop into your cupcake pan and bake at 160 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. And voila, your cupcakes are ready. They are so yummy, so nice, so delicious, and when you have a taste of this, you'll be back for more. Can you see how inside looks? So beautiful. Try out this recipe and drop a comment in the comment section. Kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification button so that when I post new videos, you'll be informed. Thank you for watching.